In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Notion. Notion is a powerful tool that can cater to various needs, from simple note-taking to project management. Tags are an incredibly useful feature that helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. They allow you to categorize and filter content effectively, making it easier to find specific information. Whether you're managing a large project or simply keeping track of personal notes, using tags can significantly enhance your productivity. Now, let's dive into the process of adding tags to your Notion workspace. First, open Notion on your device and navigate to the page where you want to add tags. If you don't have a specific page in mind yet, you might want to create a new one to start organizing your information. The process of adding tags is very straightforward but does require you to think about how you want to organize your content. Utilizing databases in Notion is a great way to do this. On your designated page, create or open a database, a table, board, or list, for example. If you are new to databases in Notion, don't worry, they are essentially collections of related information, much like a table or spreadsheet. Once you have your database ready, you'll need to add a new property to it. A property in Notion is a piece of data that's associated with an item in your database. Think of it as a column in a spreadsheet. In this new property, we're going to set the type as either multi-select or select, depending on your preference. This setting dictates how you can apply tags. Multi-select allows multiple tags on a single entry, while select restricts you to one tag per entry. Go to the title of any column in your database and click on it to open a menu. Choose Add a New Property. Name that property something relevant, such as tags or categories. Then, select the multi-select or select option from the property types. Why choose multi-select? Well, it's perfect if you need more flexibility, like tagging a task under Work, Urgent, and Design all at once. The select property is better when you want to categorize items in a more exclusive manner. After setting up your tag property, you can start entering the tags you'll be using. Click on any empty spot under your tags column, and type in a new tag name that you want to add. As you type, press Enter to solidify your tag choice, or select from existing options if you've already set up tags before. Repeat this process for as many tags as needed. You'll quickly see how the color-coded tags make it easy to visually parse your data. Using well-defined and consistent tags can enable powerful filtering and sorting capabilities, especially when dealing with vast amounts of information. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add tags in Notion, enhancing organization and accessibility. By consistently using tags, you can streamline your workflow and ensure you're maximizing what Notion has to offer.